Sure. In our area, we've identified actually 11 customer groups that we deal with, administration, accounting, the internal ones. But we also have external customers from us. And our external customers are the actual buyers who have subgroups within them. And the suppliers, most people don't realize that as a software, we look at our suppliers as a customer. When we're writing something, it's like, how can we involve the supplier better in our system, give them more information, more accurate information, capture their information, and transmit it to the people who need to know.
We have the best contact with our customers. So our customers are more focused, and this industry is more focused on person to person than web to person. So then my role is to figure out how to make the web more person to person than web to person.
We, the IT team, have gone out to the customer and just watched how they use the site. More accurately, we watch when they don't use our site. Because if they're using our site, that functionality exists. They're doing it well. If they don't use our site, that means we might be able to add some functionality in there that will keep them on our site longer and better integrated to the rest of their orders, their parts, their lists, their email notifications, whatever it is.
And having other people who have the same goal but different means of accomplishing those goals and different approaches can be really helpful to bounce ideas off each other and just make sure that you're approaching something from a good perspective. Having that balance of ideas and approaches is really helpful. It's also good because it allows each of us to become slightly more specialized in how we in our day-to-day responsibilities. Because Chuck is really good at database stuff, that means that's less pressure for me to have to learn as much database as I can.
Basically, my job is making sure that the product that all of our customers use is the best that it can be. I go through and test everything, make sure everything works how it's supposed to, making sure all the implementations and all the features that we have are as good as they can be, and that when our customers go to use it, that there's as minimal bugs or as minimal problems that they will have using the system as possible. Making sure it's usable and working very closely with Joe in the usability design and his job, and making sure that our vision's in line and go with what the customer needs and wants are.